Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome back. Alright, so in today's video, we want to learn how to cut baby's outfits. That's a boy's senator outfit for children, right? We can say children's senator outfit. Now, I will take my time to explain to you in full detail how to go about it. Please kindly make sure you watch the video to the end and also subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up and also like and comment. Right, so now this is my fabric I have. Now the first thing to do here is to um fold. Now this folding will come in line with your customer's chest measurements divided by 4. So the chest I have is 33, so by 4 is 8.25, right? Then extra 1.5 or 2 inches. That means your folding should be at maximum of 11 inches, right? Then having done that, then you iron out your fabric in this way. Now the next thing to do here is you mark 3 inches here. Now these 3 inches will serve you for the folding of your senator outfits. For children, right, you use 3 inches in folding. As against adults, we use 4. Now the next is top length. So the length of the top I have is 29. So you mark at 29 inches. 29 inches top length this way. Now the next to do is to connect this shoulder line. It comes out in this form. Then after which you now look for the armhole. So the armhole will still follow the same process of just over 4 minus 1 because we are dealing on 3/4 sleeve for this boy. So the chest is 33 over 4 is 8.25 minus 1 is 7.25. So you mark at 7.25. That's the armhole for this particular chest size measurement, right? Extend the line in this form. Then after which you now mark the real chest, which is 8.25. So you mark it here and then add extra 1.5 or 2 inches up. I'm using 1.5. Now the next is to mark the shoulder. The shoulder we have is 15 plus 0.3 or half for the sleeve joining. It becomes 7 3/4. Then slope it down by 2 inches here. Mark in this form and then come at that point. Mark 2 inches for the shoulder sloping. For children, we use 2 inches to slant or slope their shoulder. After which you do the neck. The neck is 13. Divided by 6, you will have a value minus 0.3 from it. Mark the letter answer on the neck, which was this way, and then add half to this to get your depth. So this is how you mark the neck width and the neck depth as well. Then after which connect the lines as shown and then connect this one as well in this format, right? And then slope it to the shoulder point, slope to the shoulder point this way, right? And then bring your ruler inside by 1.5, draw the line in this form. This helps you to do your armhole trimming. Then place your pattern master or armhole curve this way. Try to make a little curve correction encroachment from here, coming here this way and go all through to this very point. Look at how it was placed. Then this is the armhole curve we are seeing. See how beautiful it is. Then bring the line to go straight down from here, go all through to this very point. Then from here come up by 4 inches for your side slit opening. So this is how to cut the front panel of your children senator outfit. So I will cut this and then show you guys the results. So now, as you can see, I have finished cutting the front panel. So let us now cut the back panel for you to also see how it's being done. Please make sure you watch the video to the end and ask your questions in the comment section. I will go through the comment section to reply your questions one after the other, right? Make sure your questions are pertaining to this particular outfit, right? And not any other question. so that I will be prompt in responding to you. So now for the back placement, you also make sure you refold the same nature of folding you did in the front, right? So once you have refolded that to this very point, then you must make sure that every fabric is relaxed. Now, in your own case, please make sure you iron. You have to iron out all the edges, right? So now you make sure the panels are relaxed and they are equal, and then give 1 inch gap at the down part, which will be used in the neck balancing. I will show you guys in the sewing tutorial. So this is going to be one of the simplest ways you will use to draft your kit senator top. This works for all sizes. Just reduce the slanting of the shoulder to 1.5. If you have a younger person, this should be around 12 years old boy. So if you have maybe 6 years, do 1.5, or can still do 2. Just reduce it, that's all. And then make sure that your measurements are correct for you to have perfect result. Then raise here again by equal 2 inches from the neck edge, 2 inches, 2 inches, right? Raise it this way. And then after this, connect the lines in this form. And after which, slope your ruler in this way. Mark the back neck edge. Then the back neck depth remains 1.15. 1.15, right? And then connect as shown. So this is how you draft the back neckline. So let me cut this, and then we are going to cut the subsequent components in the next video. Alright, so now to cut the components, you have the back facing as the first thing to cut. After you must have cut out the front and back. Now you cut the back facing. Now the back facing is just using the same fabric, fold in this form, place the back panel in this way, and then make sure that the back facing is 1 inch higher than the armhole here. So once you have gotten that, you retrace the neckline, you retrace the neckline, you retrace the neckline, and also do here as well, the shoulder area, and of course do the armhole curve area. So this is what you do. So the back facing, you can give it any shape of your choice. That's the downside. So I will do a V cut this way, just to give it that V shape at the back. So now the next I am going to do here now is to also cut the flap, the pockets, and also the sleeve, right? So the sleeve will not be left out. So you also cut the sleeve, which I will also show you in this video. So let's do the sleeve cutting. So in the sleeve cutting, we are going to fold in this form. We are going to fold in this form, making sure that we have enough folding to double fold again, because we are cutting the two sleeves at once. Then bear in mind, the sleeve we have what they call turn up. So you fold again this way, right? So now the sleeve length measurement we have is a sleeve length of the sleeve length is a sleeve length of 12, right? 12 inches. So you are going to decide how many inch you want to use as a turn up. So I think we are going to use 2 inches as a turn up effect. So we are going to minus 2 inches from the 12. You have 10. Then you are going to add 1 inch back. Why? Because the 1 inch you will use to join the turn up and also join the shoulder, right? So now we have 11. So you mark out your baseline this way, and then you mark 11 this way, mark this way, also mark again, Now, some persons will ask me, what is my guide in folding the sleeve? My guide is from the round sleeve measurement. So the round sleeve they gave us is 9 for the bicep area. So 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. Then plus extra 3 inches is ideal for all folding for children. Then for the tip of the sleeve here, they gave me 8. So I will mark out 8 and then add extra 1 inch for my inseam allowance. Then from here, come down by 3 inches, then connect in this form, and then do my freehand sketch in this very form. So bear in mind, I have a video where I explain in details how to cut a perfect sleeve, so which is applicable both on children and adults. So you can still make do by going through the channel and watch other interesting videos on this channel. They are free of charge, right? So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. To subscribe is free. You're not going to pay any money. It's just for you to be a member of the channel, for you to be notified whenever I make or post new videos. And also don't forget to give me a thumbs up so that my videos will be suggested to people when you have enough likes, enough shares and comments, right? So help me by commenting and sharing my video. So now, after which, the turn-up effect we had was 2. You double it as 4 plus 1 inch. That's for the joining or the folding, right? So that's 5. Then connected them in this form for the turn-up effect. Then I will cut it here. I know the one under is not enough. I will recut for the second one. So I will just cut it out in this form. But this is how you cut your turn-up. So the one under is not enough because the fabric ended at the sleeve. So this one is not complete. So I will remove this one and then I will recut from the pieces of the fabric I have. So that is the reason why I used to keep such pieces so that it will be useful in subsequent cuttings, right? So trying to make sure it's properly balanced and then I will record. So I hope this video must have shown you guys how to cut a perfect sleeve and turn up, and then make sure you watch this video to the very end for you to learn very well and have all your questions answered without asking the question, but the videos are self-explanatory. All right, so thank you for watching. See you in the next video.